It's a certified 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking assist, Bluetooth streaming audio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.